This segment of Showcase is brought to you by the Aesthetic Center of Richmond Dermatology. And just a heads up, if you've ever wanted to see a beauty procedure really up close, we're gonna do that. So if you're a little squeamish of needles, just a heads up. All right, so we're here getting a very fascinating brand new procedure done. I will tell you that I have worked with Sarah when I had basal cell carcinoma and I had Mohs on my head. I lost part of my hair. And so Sarah, you did what was called PRP treatment to put my own plasma back into my head, and that's kind of what regrew my hair. You're doing an entirely new cutting edge procedure that kind of started like that, but has taken off in a new way. What are we doing?
It's totally evolved. So PRP, platelet-rich plasma, that's kind of the first generation of how we would harvest our growth factors from our blood by taking our plasma out of our blood. And that's gone through some different iterations over the last 5 to 10 years. What we're working with today is something called PRFM, which is a few generations later from PRP. It's platelet-rich fibrin matrix. So this is going to release growth factors over the course of 7 to 10 days in the skin compared to traditional PRP, which is just hours. But the cool thing about what I'm doing now is we've taken Megan's PRFM and we've heated it and converted it into a product that's like a filler, like your classic hyaluronic acid gel filler.
But this is more natural, right?
This is totally
because
natural.
It's coming from your own body back into your body.
Exactly. This is from Megan's own tissue.
Now this is really interesting, and Megan has shared with us before that she has had breast cancer before, and so she's very conscious about making sure that she's only putting natural things in her body. So for someone who's like Megan, this is a great option because you're not putting anything foreign into your body.
Exactly. It's going to minimize or really eliminate that foreign body reaction, which a lot of people that have autoimmune issues or maybe have a history of cancer are trying to avoid. It's also great just for people who want to try something different than filler, who have had filler but want a treatment that's more regenerative, meaning that it's going to use your own tissue to stimulate your own collagen production.
Now it looks very painful to watch, but it's not as painful when you're actually getting it done, correct?
No, and you can see Megan's holding a vibration tool. She's also got a little squeezy ball in her hands. Yeah, how are you doing, Megan?
If I'm allowed to talk, I'm doing just
I
fine.
know you're trying to stay still for us because you want Sarah to be able to do this.
I am, but I'm doing great.
Okay, so this is a really interesting new procedure. Now, how long is recovery for something like this, and how soon do we see results?
So recovery is actually pretty quick. Most patients look great even when they walk out of the treatment room. There will be some swelling. We say don't put makeup on for 24 hours, don't exercise for 24 hours. And that matrix that I was talking about that's releasing the growth factor over the course of 7 to 10 days, we don't want to disrupt that matrix. So what that means is no facial massages or facials. When you wash your face or put products on your face, you want to just gently glide over the area for about 7 to 10 days. But other than that, there's pretty minimal downtime and recovery.
This is wild to watch. This is such a cool technology. And Sarah, I love that you are always on the cutting edge of knowing everything and being medically trained to know exactly what to do and the right way to do it. So thank you for teaching us about this. If you want to learn about all the incredible procedures and things that you can have done, the Aesthetic Center for Richmond Dermatology is amazing, and they will figure out the right procedures for you. That's the most important part. Sarah, where can we find out more information?
You can give us a call to schedule a consultation. That's the only way to know exactly what treatment is right for you, 804-285-2320. Go onto our website at aestheticcenterofrichmonddermatology.com or our Instagram page at RVA Aesthetic Center.
This segment of Showcase is brought to you by the Aesthetic Center of Richmond Dermatology.